In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use messages on LinkedIn. Let's start from the very beginning so you can follow along with confidence. Open LinkedIn on your web browser or in the mobile app and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your homepage, which is your central hub for your feed, notifications, and quick access to messaging. To reach the person you want to message, head to the search bar at the top, type their name carefully, and when the results appear, click into the correct profile. It helps to double check their headline, company, or location to ensure you've got the right person, especially if they have a common name. If you're already connected, you can message them right away. On their profile, click the message button to open a chat window, type your message clearly, keep it concise, and click send. Messages to your first degree connections are free, so this is the simplest path when you already have that connection in place. If you're not connected yet, you have a few options. The most common is to send a connection request. Click connect, then choose add a note to include a short introduction. Briefly say who you are and why you'd like to connect. Once they accept, you'll be able to message them directly. Another route is LinkedIn Premium, which gives you access to InMail. InMail lets you reach out to people even if you're not connected, and it can be useful for outreach to recruiters, potential clients, or partners. If you prefer a free approach, consider engaging through their posts first. Visit their profile, look at recent posts or activity, and leave a thoughtful, relevant comment. Building a bit of rapport publicly can increase your chances of being noticed and having your connection request accepted. To access all your conversations, click the messaging icon at the top of LinkedIn. This opens your inbox where you can see recent threads, pick any chat and reply, or continue the conversation. It's a good habit to keep your inbox tidy so you can follow up promptly. Inside LinkedIn messages, you can do more than just send text. You can share files or documents when you need to attach a resume or a proposal, react with emojis to acknowledge messages quickly, and archive or delete conversations to stay organized. A few final best practices go a long way. Keep your messages short and professional. Personalize each note to avoid sounding copy pasted. State your purpose clearly, whether it's about a role, a collaboration, or general networking, and always be polite and respectful. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.